So let's see. Let's see what we're looking at this week. So there's a dollar index here. I think once we lost that support over here at 93.60s, that was pretty bearish for the dollar index. So if the dollar is going down, market should be going up ideally. Financial sector is ripping still regardless. That's why I think financial sector is always good long position if you wanted to hedge yourself. Surprisingly, the Qs is actually lagging a little bit. On the daily, the MACD curl backed up. It looks like it might even hit back to the double top here. So that's the 302. And then for the SPY, that's the 358. I don't know. Last week I thought we were pretty bearish here. I thought we were gonna cross back down, but we've been closing pretty strong. A lot of green. On the weekly chart, it looks bullish too. Second week, that SPY closed green, showing the reversal upwards. If anything, the financial is actually the one that's like choking that area here. And on the half-day chart, the dollar index looks like it might reverse a little bit. So we might get some slight pullback to here and then back up. But it is hard. There's no real direction. I'm looking at the 4 charts. There's no real direction. Let's look at the news for today. Do a recap. The Fed's FOMC says if recovery slower, sees more asset purchase. They're saying that they think the next stimulus is going to come in the first quarter of 2021. They were trying to pump that they were trying to pass the stimulus package again, but it doesn't look like it. They came back with the 1.8 trillion up from 1.6. But then Senator Mitch McConnell does not have enough votes to pass the $1.8 trillion package. They said they're gonna focus on the Supreme Court nomination, because if they have control of the Supreme Court, and if Trump denies that he doesn't want to step down from being president, they'll win that dispute. Trump on radio rally says he wants more aid than either side of the Congress is offering. So Trump is just pumping up fake news now. He's just saying that he wants even more money than 1.8 trillion or 2.2 trillion or whatever the Democratic side is offering, which is bullshit because they shut it down. Like, how could he want more than what both sides are offering? Like 5 trillion? No way. And then around 240, they said that when they spoke at 140, they couldn't come to an agreement. So stimulus deal is not getting through again today. And then market on closed balance is 974 to the sell side. So I mean, it's just saying that a lot of people are selling off today. That's why we have so much of the sell side. But I mean, overall, it's extremely hard to play this. You know, fundamentally, if the bill doesn't get passed, we know we are bearish. But on a technical aspect, it's hard to find the bearish position because we have the momentum, and it looks like we want to touch the top again. And the momentum looks like it's going to carry us there. But you know, when they rug pull, anything could happen. If they pull up bad news, anything could pull it up. But as far as momentum wise, it looks like it wants to carry us back up here. Especially on the weekly chart, it's pretty bullish in that aspect where it bounced right here. I just want to go back up. The only plays we're really looking at for next week are like some of the bank plays. Johnson & Johnson looks pretty bullish. We saw a lot of flows on it. PDD is also very interesting. And then Walmart. So I would probably, on Monday, I'd probably look at some Walmart plays. So Monday, I'll probably look at some Walmart plays for the ER. Maybe I'll buy like a month out, November 17, so maybe by 19 or something. It's at 142 right now. Could probably sweep for the 150.
Yes, sir.
That's probably what I'll play for Monday. And then PDD also. It's gaining a lot of momentum, very bullish. Got big volume spike today coming in. Could easily hit 84. That's one of the resistance. We're almost at some resistance right now at $80. I actually caught this the other day, but it was hard to. I have a $100 call position for next year, for January 15, but I haven't really averaged down or anything. So just been watching, because when this stock reverses, it's pretty bullish right now, because look at it over here, right? It typically rejected this area and just kind of go back down, and today we broke through it and we broke this line too. So if we get a pullback to 77 on Monday, hopefully, I'll probably take it, and then we'll have a stop loss in 75 area and could ride this train all the way up, because this stock is crazy when it goes. If market continues to be bullish and allows it, that would be a big opportunity. And then the last stock that I'm really looking at is Clorox. So that looks like it wants to break up too. There's some resistance here at the 215 and then 217. If we can break above that, we could probably run to 230s by ER. I don't see how they won't have a bad ER. Supply chain issues should be fixed by now. Just extremely bullish overall with Corona round 2 coming up, and they have the new device and everything for schools. That could be huge for them. That's pretty much it. This video is going to be used for my YouTube, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Here's all our links here. That's pretty much it. And then if you guys have any stocks you want to take a look at, let me know. And take a look at it before I go. Ooh, gold looks like it's about to try and break out too here. No problem, Lock. Appreciate you coming by and stopping on the stream anytime, man. Yo, for some reason, the wood ETF doesn't follow the wood futures as well. Because I think wood futures is by the dip here, but the wood ETF is already up. Because we got another hurricane coming, according to Jimmy.